Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and this video is going to be all about the One Funnel Away challenge, as well as another challenge that ClickFunnels currently has on, and my One Funnel Away challenge bonuses. So if you check the description beneath this video, there's going to be links to, first of all, a post on my blog with some more information about my bonuses, as well as links for the One Funnel Away challenge and the 5-day lead challenge. Now, the 5-day lead challenge is a free challenge which you can sign up for if you want, and it's kind of like the pre-training for the One Funnel Away challenge. And the One Funnel Away challenge costs $100, and if you grab that using my affiliate link and then send me an email to let me know that you did so, then I will give you my awesome One Funnel Away challenge bonuses, which are right here. But we're going to talk about these in just a moment. First, I want to go over what is the One Funnel Away challenge, and also I'm going to explain what the 5-day lead challenge is. So the One Funnel Away challenge is basically a front-end product that ClickFunnels uses to generate customers so that they can upsell their software at a later date. However, I don't use ClickFunnels. I'm not planning on using ClickFunnels because I'm mostly a blogger, so I use WordPress for most of my stuff. If I want a landing page, I just make it in WordPress. That's a little bit harder than using ClickFunnels, but I know how to do it, so I might as well. And that way it's on my website, which is where I want it to be. And what I've always said about ClickFunnels is that their training is what they do best. Like their software, a lot of people swear by ClickFunnels, the software. I tried it once. It wasn't necessarily for me, but I've done quite a bit of their free training, and I've always been incredibly impressed with the amount of value that they provide and the amount of information that they're able to communicate in a short time. And so if you sign up for even just the 5-day lead challenge, which is a free 5-day training, then you'll get a lot of value out of that. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in a minute. And if you grab the One Funnel Away challenge for $100, I haven't done it yet. I'm starting. You can see it starting in 5 hours. So I'm actually really excited for this. So I'm going to make some more videos about this as I go and provide some more information about kind of my feedback and my impression of it. But so basically the One Funnel Away challenge is a 30-day challenge, and it teaches you step-by-step how to set up your first or your next funnel and basically get it making money. That's the aim of the challenge, is to get you to set up a working sales funnel and start driving traffic to it so that it gets leads, gets sales, and you start making money with your online business. So if you click on my affiliate link for the One Funnel Away challenge in the description, you'll come to this page or one very much like it, and you can watch this video, which is very informative. You can scroll down, read all this stuff about Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels and the challenge. And I've only heard good things about this challenge. It has rave reviews from a ton of really successful people. And like I said, I've only ever had good things to say about the training that ClickFunnels provides. So I'm actually really excited to get started in this. And then the 5-day lead challenge, I've already gone through this, and it's kind of like the pre-training for the funnel challenge. And if you just want to do the 5-day lead challenge, you can do it for free. I've also got an affiliate link in the description for that, so that if you then decide to upgrade to the One Funnel Away challenge, it would get attributed to me, and you could still claim my bonuses. And the 5-day lead challenge is super cool. It's 5 days worth of training and homework, and let me be honest with you, I've been making lead magnets and opt-in funnels and successfully generating leads doing that for 3 years now. Okay, I feel like I'm pretty good at it, but I learned a ton in this 5-day lead challenge, despite the fact that it's aimed at beginners. So despite the fact that this challenge is intended for absolute beginners, and I'm someone with 3 years of experience, I actually learned some really valuable stuff. It really clarified the lead magnet creation process for me, and it's gotten me really, really hyped up for the One Funnel Away challenge. So I'm really looking forward to getting into that. All right, so that is the One Funnel Away challenge and the 5-day lead challenge. You can find my affiliate links for both of these in the description. Again, the 5-day lead challenge is free. It's the pre-training for the $100 One Funnel Away challenge. And now if you buy the One Funnel Away challenge using my affiliate link, or if you sign up for the 5-day lead challenge using my affiliate link and then later buy the One Funnel Away challenge, it should get attributed to me, and I'll be happy to set you up with my bonuses. Now, these bonuses are all products that I created that I would normally sell either individually or as part of a bundle. In fact, I am creating bundles right now to sell all of them, and so they're all basically engineered to really help and fill in the gaps that might exist in this challenge. So first we have Niche Selection Supernova, which is my personal system for finding and choosing profitable niches when specifically when I'm looking at affiliate marketing or blogging, but you can use it really for any kind of business that you might be looking to start or grow. If you need to choose a niche, then this is going to be really useful for you. It's a PDF. It's a simple process that you can follow. And when I show this to my clients, it kind of blows their mind sometimes because a lot of people don't realize how many great resources are available for free online that can help you choose a niche. The next one is what I call the Facebook funnel. It's another PDF that I made. This is more of a full-length book, and it is all about how to generate leads and make sales using free traffic from Facebook. So you don't need to buy ads or anything to use the strategies outlined in this book. It's just all about organic marketing on Facebook. Basically, it's about meeting people in groups and how to meet people in groups, how to get people in groups coming to you for advice, and how to then turn those people who are coming to you for advice into leads and customers. Then we have your first money-making email list, which is another book that I wrote, and it's all about how to build your first money-making email list. There are some lead generation strategies in there, but it's mostly about how to make money as you're building a list. And I actually have a pretty small email list myself still, and despite that, I've been making money off my email list since I had 20 to 30 people on it, and I really outline the strategies and tactics that I use to do that in this book. And then we've got Complete Guide to Copywriting Frameworks and 30 Compelling Headline Formulas. These are both shorter PDFs that are all about how to write better copy. This one is specifically about how to write great headlines, and it provides a bunch of headline formulas that you can copy and paste and just customize to make them your own. And then this one is it basically explains what copywriting frameworks or formulas are, how to use them correctly, and it also provides examples of some of my favorite ones. And then finally, we have my customer avatar worksheet, which is a Google Sheet, like a spreadsheet. You can use it in Google Sheets, you can use it in Excel, and it is basically an easy way to look at and create a customer avatar all in one place. And I really like this resource. So I'm starting to put it and all of these others into bundles, which I'm planning on selling. But you can get all of these for free if you grab the One Funnel Away Challenge using my link. So anyways, those are my One Funnel Away Challenge bonuses. And again, I provide a little bit of information about the 5-day lead challenge, a little bit of information about the One Funnel Away Challenge. But the truth is, most of what I know about the One Funnel Away Challenge right now is stuff that I've heard from other people. So I'm going to make more videos as I go through the challenge, kind of outlining what I think of it, the experiences I got, what my main takeaways, stuff like that. But I can tell you I've already gone through the 5-day lead challenge, and I learned a ton from this. Again, despite the fact that it's intended for beginners, and I'm really not a beginner. But just as an example, Russell's framework for creating lead magnets is super easy to understand and very, very effective. So it's basically you start with the high-level result that you get for your clients or customers, and then you break that down into the components that make up that result. So the smaller results that you get them that make up the main result, and then you break those smaller results down into individual frameworks that very, very specific things, and then you choose out of those specific things, you choose the one that's the most interesting, the most click-worthy, and then you create a short lead magnet that teaches how to do that. And going through that process and going through this training, I ended up making a completely new lead magnet that I had never used before, and I think it's going to be really successful. I'm starting to run ads to it tomorrow. And I mean, I've got tons of lead magnets that I've used. Some have been successful, some have not been successful, but I think this one is really going to be a good one. So anyways, that is my video about my One Funnel Away Challenge bonuses. If you want more information, you can check out the link to my blog post. And if you just want to grab the 5-day lead challenge or the One Funnel Away Challenge, again, my affiliate links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.